We're here at Humbug Creek. It flows down to the South Yuba River. You can see how the water has just carved out that tunnel as it drops down about 20 feet down into some pools. Up here is the upper pool that has even another waterfall behind the rock. And here is the upper fall. It's kind of difficult to see in the shade. It dumps in here and comes across. These rocks have been just smoothed over, partially water, but they also had a lot of hydraulic mining and sand that went across here. It probably shaped them, polished them. And then Humbug Creek goes down and dumps into the South Fork of the Yuba River. Some of the pools and sculptured rockwork from Humbug Creek as it flows down the bedrock here. Up above are Malakoff Diggins. And you can see how the water has just sculpted and polished the rock over time. Fairly spectacular. I just wish we could have made it all the way down, but the bridge is out. Lower waterfall on Humbug Creek. This is June. Water's flowing pretty good down into the pool below. And this will take it on out to the South Yuba River.